Ready to give your space a serious upgrade? These incredible Amazon gadgets for your home and backyard are designed to make life easier, smarter, and way more fun. From clever kitchen helpers to outdoor must-haves, each one brings a viral twist you'll actually use every day. All the products are linked in the description below. Who knew a toilet could feel this futuristic? This smart design opens and flushes automatically, so you barely lift a finger. The heated seat, warm air dryer, and built-in bidet keep you comfortable and clean every time. A soft glow nightlight and LED display make late-night trips easier. From deodorization to multiple wash settings, it turns the bathroom into a spa-like experience. Ever wished you could step into your own private cocoon? This sleeping pod creates a quiet, soundproof retreat that feels like your personal hideaway. Inside, you'll find a comfy mattress, reading lights, charging ports, a mirror, and even a fan for airflow. A digital control panel lets you adjust everything to your liking with just a touch. Sleek, modern, and space-saving, it's like bringing a futuristic hotel pod into your home. Your garden deserves a little nighttime magic. These outdoor solar lanterns soak up the sun by day and glow automatically once it gets dark. The stainless steel design casts a beautiful pattern of light and shadow across the ground, instantly upgrading your patio or pathway. They're fully waterproof, so rain or snow won't stop the show. Just stake them in, switch them on, and enjoy hours of glowing ambiance. Scrubbing tall windows by hand is officially outdated. This robotic cleaner attaches securely to the glass and does the hard work for you, spraying, wiping, and polishing every inch with smart path planning. It even charges while working, so you don't have to pause mid-clean. With built-in safety features and a multifunctional docking station, it keeps windows sparkling without ladders or effort. Tall windows don't have to mean streaks and frustration anymore. This kit combines a sturdy telescopic pole with a dual scrubber and squeegee head, letting you tackle glass, solar panels, or RV windshields without ladders. The swivel head adjusts to tricky angles, and the microfiber pad is washable and reusable. Strong, lightweight, and built to last, it's the easy way to keep high windows crystal clear from the ground. Lighting doesn't have to be boring. This smart floor lamp transforms your space with millions of colors, warm or cool whites, and even dynamic effects that move with music. You can set the mood with voice commands or customize everything from an app. Whether you're reading, relaxing, or throwing a party, it adapts instantly. Sleek, modern, and easy to set up, it's the upgrade your living room's been waiting for. Cluttered countertops are a thing of the past with this clever pop-up outlet. It hides neatly when not in use, then lifts with a press to reveal multiple AC outlets, USB ports, and even wireless charging on top. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or conference tables, it delivers power exactly where you need it without the mess. Sleek, modern, and practical, it's a hidden upgrade that makes everyday charging effortless. Want tomorrow's forecast without picking up your phone? This wireless weather station puts it right on your desk or nightstand. The color display shows indoor and outdoor temps, humidity, barometric pressure, and even moon phases. It doubles as an atomic clock, keeping perfect time with alarms and snooze built in. With adjustable brightness and multiple sensors, it keeps you informed day and night at a glance. Long day on your feet? This 2-in-1 massager is like having a personal spa at home. It kneads, compresses, vibrates, and even warms your tired feet and calves, melting away the tension. The roomy design fits most sizes, and the covers are removable for easy cleaning. You can even fold it into a comfy ottoman when not in use. Pure relaxation, right in your living room. Waves, bumps, or sudden stops, your drink isn't going anywhere. This clever cup holder uses a micro suction base that locks onto smooth surfaces without glue or drilling. It grips tight so your cup, can, or bottle stays upright, even on boats or kayaks. The fit adjusts automatically for most drink sizes, and it's super easy to clean. Whether outdoors or at your desk, spills are finally off the menu. Peeling veggies doesn't have to be a chore. This electric peeler does the work for you at the push of a button. Just place a potato, apple, or zucchini on the holder and watch the blade glide down smoothly. No slipping, no effort, just perfectly peeled produce in seconds. With extra blades stored inside and a sturdy non-slip base, it's a kitchen helper you'll actually use every day. One charger to rule them all. This 7-in-1 station powers up your phone, watch, earbuds, and more, all at once. No more messy cables, just one sleek hub that keeps everything charged and ready. The built-in clock syncs automatically with your phone, even showing the day and room temperature. A soft nightlight with touch controls makes it perfect for your bedside. Safe, smart, and seriously convenient. Your backyard is about to become a live nature channel. This smart bird feeder comes with a built-in camera, so you can watch feathered visitors in real time right from your phone. The AI even tells you which species stopped by, turning every snack break into a mini bird lesson. With crisp HD video and night vision, you'll never miss a close-up. It's fun, relaxing, and makes birdwatching easier than ever. No more food slipping through the grates. This rolling grill basket keeps veggies, shrimp, and small bites perfectly contained while giving them that smoky, grilled flavor. The removable wooden handle makes it easy to turn without burning your hands, and the stainless steel build is tough enough for countless cookouts. Best of all, it nests together for compact storage, making it a go-to tool for backyard BBQs or camping trips. Keep your home safe and well lit with this floodlight security camera that combines power and clarity. Its dual lens setup gives you a full 180 degrees panoramic view in sharp 2K detail, while the 3000 lumen lights instantly brighten your space at the first sign of motion. Add in color night vision, two-way audio, and a built-in siren, and you've got a strong deterrent that helps protect your driveway, yard, or entryway day and night. Imagine turning your ceiling into a statement piece that changes with your mood. This smart ceiling light doesn't just brighten your space, it creates an atmosphere. With vibrant RGB effects, dimmable white light, and a sleek modern design, you can go from cozy warm tones to bold party colors in seconds. Best part? It works with Alexa, Google, and Matter for hands-free control. Tired of forgetting to water the garden? This smart hose timer takes care of it for you, adjusting watering schedules automatically based on the weather. You can control it right from your phone over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, making it easy to customize no matter where you are. It even adapts during drought conditions, so you save water while keeping plants healthy. Ever wanted your couch to look like it just rolled off the racetrack? This sculptural sofa takes real car parts and transforms them into a bold piece of furniture. It blends the thrill of automotive design with the comfort of a lounge chair. Sit down and it feels like sinking into a performance machine, only softer. It's part artwork, part seating, and guaranteed to start conversations. Backyard movie nights just got a serious upgrade. This hardshell TV cover protects your screen from rain, dust, and even harsh sunlight, so you can enjoy shows outdoors without worry. The sturdy case mounts directly to your wall and includes a heavy-duty bracket for secure placement. Its front cover pops off completely, giving you a clear view and sound when it's showtime. Turn your backyard into a summer lounge spot. This giant inflatable sofa pool doubles as a comfy place to sit and a refreshing spot to splash around. Kids can play, while adults stretch out and relax in the oversized design. It inflates quickly and packs down just as easily when you're done. Perfect for sunny afternoons, family fun, or simply cooling off in style. Lighting doesn't have to be boring. This clever balance lamp turns on with a simple pull of 2 magnetic balls, making it feel almost magical every time you use it. Touch controls let you switch between multiple brightness levels, from a soft night glow to a bright reading light. It's rechargeable, so you can place it anywhere without worrying about outlets. Perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or a cozy office setup. No trees? No problem. This portable hammock stand sets up in just seconds, so you can kick back anywhere, beach, backyard, or campsite. Its sturdy aluminum frame stays stable even on sand, grass, or rocky ground. You can switch between chair mode or full lounge mode, adjusting the canopy to follow the sun. And with a handy cup holder built in, your essentials are always within reach while you relax. Movie night doesn't have to stay indoors anymore. This portable projector brings a full cinema experience wherever you set it down, with bright visuals and crisp detail that can expand up to a giant screen size. Its AI-powered adjustment automatically fine-tunes brightness, so you always get the best view. A built-in battery gives you hours of playtime, whether you're camping, traveling, or hanging out in the backyard.